First, let's define what a Sigma male is. Sigma males are individuals who prefer to live outside the traditional hierarchy of social status. They are often seen as the lone wolves of society, marching to the beat of their own drum. Unlike the alpha male, who thrives in leadership roles, or the beta male, who seeks validation through social approval, the Sigma male values independence and autonomy above all else. Sigma males are known for their strong sense of self-reliance and introspection. They are comfortable being alone and often find solace in solitude. This doesn't mean they are antisocial. Rather, they choose their social interactions carefully and value quality over quantity. One of the most intriguing traits of the Sigma male is their ability to think critically and see the bigger picture. They are often deep thinkers, questioning societal norms and challenging the status quo. This intellectual curiosity sets them apart from the crowd and allows them to offer unique perspectives on various issues. In relationships, Sigma males are not afraid to walk away from toxic situations or people who do not align with their values. They value authenticity and honesty, seeking genuine connections rather than superficial ones. This selective nature can sometimes be misunderstood as aloofness, but in reality, it stems from a desire for meaningful and fulfilling relationships. Despite their preference for solitude, Sigma males are not afraid to step up and take charge when necessary. They are natural leaders in their own right, leading by example rather than seeking validation from others. This quiet confidence and inner strength make them magnetic and intriguing to those around them. In conclusion, the Sigma male is a fascinating archetype that brings a unique perspective to the world. Their independence, critical thinking, and authenticity set them apart and make them valuable contributors to society. So, next time you encounter a Sigma male, appreciate their individuality and the positive traits they bring to the table.